Alright, we're here at my favorite little fishing hole. I'll take you with me. As soon as I get untangled. There we go. 3 pods of dolphins working the same flat as me. And I ain't catching nothing, and that's why. There they are down there. Lots of finger mullet, which I'm using for bait. Dolphins are down that way, and I'll get another shot when they get close. And hopefully the sharks went to sleep. Turn this back on when something eventful happens.